everyone. It's Matthew again, and this is our third strategy for today. And as you can see, we are trading the high-low right here. You can see we are on the dtrader platform. So this is our third strategy for today. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. You can see we won that last trade there. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping today, 1st of September 2022. And let's watch this movement again carefully so that we can place one more trade there. Okay, it's dropping down again. So I'm going to explain this strategy to you after this trade. Right after this trade, I'm going to explain it to you. This is our second trade. Okay, we want that trade again. So before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, that's the boat right there, and the boat has been updated today, 1st of September 2022. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctystechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. It's just $9.99 USD. And the PIPSREAPER boat as well, it has been updated today, 1st of September 2022. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit www.binarypipsreaper.ctystechnologies.com.ng. You can see some of the results today. The boat is just $7.99 USD. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links again. We are going to paste all these links in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boats, and this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boats. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and these are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels. To read written tutorials, use this link to sign up on our forum. So let's get back to the trading. So as stated earlier, we are trading the high-low. We are trading the Volatility 10 index. So once you log in, we're on the dtrader. I'm in dark mode. To change your settings to dark mode, if you want to use the dark mode, you just go to the platform settings on the dtrader interface, then you click on the dark mode. So here we are going to be trading the Volatility 10 index. So you go to Volatility 10 index, you choose under the synthetic indices, you click on Volatility 10 index. I've already selected it already. Then you go to the trade type, you go to high-low, you click on it, click on high-low. Then you are going to set the ticks to 6. Then you are going to set the barrier to plus 0.521. So this thing is dropping down. I'm going to click on lower because I sensed it, so I'm going to explain to you after the trade. So that's our third trade here. So once you set your barrier to plus 521, then you enter your payout. Then you are going to be clicking on the lower button once this thing is dropping down. You can see we won that trade again. We won that trade as our third win, straight win there. So once it's dropping down, you are going to be clicking on the lower. So make sure it's dropping down. You can